What is up, guys? Ivan here, coming at you today on behalf of getivan.com, and I'd like to welcome you to my do-it-yourself White-Hat SEO guide. So please take some time and go through all this content on this index page, this table of contents sort of page. And this video is really just about giving you an idea, a quick idea of how it works and the best way to go about using it. So if at any time video quality is poor in any page, you're going to have to close background tabs and programs in order to try and get it to automatically correct itself. I use a security plugin, well, not even a plugin. I use a special service to encrypt my videos so that I can keep them secure on the membership. And they pull those videos from an external host. And so the host automatically adjusts based on, I guess, bandwidth and RAM or something like that. And so there's no way for the encryption service to for you to be able to manually correct the video quality. So you really just kind of have to, correct what's going on your computer and your internet connection, and then hopefully it'll correct itself once you refresh the page. So first things first, make sure to check out the do-it-yourself Flashfire White-Hat SEO guide. I sort of combined some summary elements from the general White-Hat SEO guide into this section so that people can get the idea of what this is about through this guide here. And I've designed it so that it's better to look at the guide in the beginning and also to take a look at the guide once you've finished all of the core content. And that's pretty much what this table of contents page is about. You just kind of go through each of these points here, starting with the Flashfire overview, and then you go to the only two SEO ranking factors: SEO content CRO template, SEO mass page building template. So you can actually kind of skip around to what you feel is important for wherever you're at. I do recommend, at the lowest common denominator, you probably want to check out the Flashfire overview and the only two SEO ranking factors. I think I discussed some of the same things in these two. I definitely recommend the SEO content CRO template. And then from there, you can kind of pick and choose between these others. The SEO mass page building template is more, if you're interested in local SEO, that's going to be relevant to you because there's a lot of things involved in this method that are applicable to local. And the template for SEO content and blogging is really just about sort of writing recommendations and ways to improve the speed of your writing and, sort of standards in how you're developing your articles. SEO engagement tactics is all about promotions, and once you've created the right structures, this is really about sort of getting your content out there to the right people. So it's a lot of information. I usually get clients are really excited about it and they get a lot of value in the beginning, and then the deeper they dig, they get overwhelmed. And then from there, I find that it's useful to really emphasize to them the big picture. And so that's kind of the nature of it, though. I've considered it a lot, and there's really no way around it. You have to learn the details to really kind of get the fullness of the method. And then you got to kind of take a step back and really simplify what you've learned, So that's why I include the Flashfire overview in the beginning and the end. And that's basically it. All you have to do is go through, at least two or three of those modules so you can get what it's about. And then from there, you can kind of just pick and choose if you like. Obviously, if you go through all the material, you're going to be pretty well versed in what's going on. There's hours of video involved in all of those different sections. And beyond knowing what to do, you have to take action. So you have to actually execute the things that I recommend doing. And it really takes somebody who is going to take the time to do it and who's going to do it well. And so the longer that I do this, the more I move away from this idea that you can really just outsource everything and have some random person just sort of take care of everything. To me, like, the best way to do all of this is as the influencer, as the expert in your field, and to figure out how to do it, 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, because the person who's really involved in the asset, the brand, whatever this is that you're trying to rank, they're going to be the one that's going to be the best equipped to create content, to create conversion structures, and so on and so forth. You can only really outsource to someone who is really going to spend a lot of time and nurture what you're doing. So I highly recommend that you find someone, and ideally yourself, who is going to be able to put in that time and nurture into your asset. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.